Hey guys, in today's video you will be checking out some of the best air compressors available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 7 we have EPAuto Air Compressor. This durable oil-free pump of the electric air compressor provides extended maintenance-free operation. You can plug directly into cigarette lighter socket of your vehicle. The low 12-amp draw motor provides easy startup and reduces breaker tripping. This auto shut off when reaching the desired tire pressure. The overheat protection shuts off automatically when overloading. At number 6 we have Viair Air Compressor. The Viair 88P is a small portable compressor capable of inflating up to 33-inch tires using a direct battery connection with 2 battery terminal clamps. This tire pressure can be monitored using the gauge mounted on top of the unit, by temporarily switching the unit off. At number 5 we have Slime Air Compressor. It's got the essentials, without any added bulk. This compact tire inflator airs up a standard tire from flat to full in 8 minutes. You can simply plug it into your 12-volt car accessory port to get started. With its long air and power hoses, plus convenient cord storage, this everyday inflator makes inflation a breeze, then packs up neatly for easy storage. Its bright LED is there to light your way, when all other lights have gone out. Its built-in dial gauge measures from 0 to 100 pounds per square inch, and with the push of a button, the inflator springs to life. It can also be used to inflate sports balls, rafts, and floatiest. It may be compact, but the Slime 12 volts tire inflator packs one heck of a punch. At number 4 we have Slime Air Compressor. This durable oil-free pump of the electric air compressor provides extended maintenance-free operation. The low 12-amp draw motor provides easy startup and reduces breaker tripping. This compressor can be operated/stored in either the vertical or horizontal position. Number 3 we have Viair Air Compressor. The unit contains an onboard pressure switch that allows the unit to run until an internal pressure of 145 psi is achieved, at which point, the compressor will shut off. To start the compressor, attach to a tire valve stem and squeeze the trigger on the supplied gas station-style inflation gun. Once air flows out of the unit, the compressor will restart. It can inflate up to a 35-inch tire from 0 to 30 psi in less than 5 minutes. This air pressure can be monitored by releasing the trigger on the inflation gun, which will show current tire pressure. At number 2 we have Greenworks Air Compressor. Greenworks tire inflator works with 24-volt rechargeable battery or 12-volt vehicle power outlet to meet your daily and car use. Make sure you can use it wherever you want. With Greenworks portable tire inflator, you don't need to worry about overinflation. The digital pressure gauge displays the current pressure in 1 psi increments. You can store the 12 volts power cord at the bottom and hang the nozzles on the side of the inflator. It's easy to store the accessories in order. The inflator comes with a bright LED light. You can use it to illuminate at night or attract the attention of drivers in an emergency situation. At number 1 we have Auto Air Compressor. The large cylinder pumps faster than the competition at 35 liters per minute. It comes with multiple tips for use on sports balls, floats, cushions, air mattresses, etc. This digital gauge is easy to read and allows for preset site targets and will shut off automatically once the desired pressure is reached. This oversized steel handle, rigid plastic components and braided sheath over airline allows this pump to withstand the wear and tear of everyday use. The quality construction allows this pump to withstand the wear and tear of everyday use with the oversized steel handle, rigid plastic components and braided sheath over airline. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best air compressors for your need.